Singapore's manufacturing output fell 0.7% last month from the year before. It was a second month of decline, but much smaller than the more than 9% drop that we saw in November.
And experts say that they are optimistic about the outlook, even with uncertainties like the Wuhan coronavirus and trade tensions to consider.
The biomedical, precision engineering and electronic sectors showed the most promise last month with expanded output, but over 2019, manufacturing output still dropped by about 1% compared to the previous year.
Experts say this was partly due to US-China trade tensions, which they think could ease with the recent Phase 1 deal. They are also placing their bets on the electronics industry this year, particularly semiconductors, in view of more digitalization efforts and the 5G rollout.
Whether we did have that interim trade agreement, US and China signed already, so we would say that at least the trade fight isn't getting any worse. It is still worth reminding everyone that, you know, 2/3 of US import of Chinese goods is still subjected to fairly steep tariff, of which half is still at 25%. We have geopolitical risks as recently as early January, when, you know, war almost broke out in the Gulf area itself.
Well, definitely there are increasing concerns surrounding this Wuhan virus outbreak. But for Singapore, I think the initial impact would really be more on the tourism-related industries as well as the consumer-related sectors. Unless China is hit with an epidemic and you see a growth slowdown in China, if imports start to decline, only then we will be more concerned about the impact on Singapore's manufacturing and exports.